So to start, you want to go up to your settings gear icon here, enter into there, then go down to where it says system. And then from here, you want to go all the way down to where it says power saving. And here you have a few different options. So the first one is set time until PS5 enters rest mode. And you have a couple of options here, such as during media playback. This is anytime you're using your PS5 to stream Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, things like that. You can do it after 1 hour, 2 hours, 3, 4, 5, or don't put it into rest mode at all. Now, while playing games, you can have this different here. You can have after 20 minutes, 1 hour, 3, 4, 5. You can see up there, don't put it into rest mode if you don't want it to do it automatically. So you can set this as you sort of want to. Now, if you go down here to features available in rest mode, if you have rest mode turned on, you can have supply power to USB. This is a great way to keep the controllers charged up. You want to charge directly from the PS5, which is what I'd recommend. You have options of 3 hours off or always on. You have stay connected to the internet. This will keep it in rest mode. And the reason you'll want to keep this on is if you want to download any updates or any files, which is, I think, is pretty important. And then down here, you have enabled turning on PS5 network. So if you use the PS5 app on your phone, you'll be able to power it on while in rest mode, and you do things such as downloading and things like that. And you can set over here, set time to control turns off. You can after 10 minutes, 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or don't turn off at all. This is pretty good if you want to save some battery life on your DualSense controller. Post any questions in the comments.